Starting number 7, exercise 12.1 mass mathematics workbook 3. If one parcel has a mass of 900 gram, what is the mass of the other parcel? So here is two parcel, it means total mass of parcel 3 kg, right? 3 kg, one parcel 900 gram. This 3 kg we can say or 300 gram, because 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 3 kg, it will be 3 times 1000 gram, it means 3000 gram. Okay, so one parcel 900 gram. So another parcel, what is the mass of the other parcel? Another parcel. So it will be 300 minus 900 gram. So what will be the answer? It should what? 2100 gram, right? So question A of 7 done. Now draw a scale that show more than 1 kg. So more than 1 kg we can write lots of things. Suppose this is a parcel, it's a number B, we can write like 2 kg, which is more than 1 kg. Draw 3 parcel. Okay, we have to draw 3 parcel. So this case, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is 3 parcel. Okay, so now what is the question? Draw 3 parcel. One has mass of less than 500 gram. So what does mean 500 gram? We can write 400 gram. Okay, so one part done. One has mass between 600 gram to 950 gram. So we can write 700 gram. It's a between 600 gram to 950 gram. And next one, at the last one, you can be choice your. So this case I can write like 800 gram. Okay, write a question of your own and its answer. So now I will make question. Question can be write like 2 parcel together, 2 parcel together 5 kg, mass 5 kg. Okay, if one parcel is 3.2 kg, what is the mass of the other? Okay, this is my question. Answer can be like 1% together but total mass 5 kg, one parcel 3.2 kg. So another, it will be 5 kg minus 3.2 kg. So how can we subtract this one? 5 kg can be write 5.0 and here is 3.2. So it's a 10, right? So 10 minus 2 it will be 8. This 5 become 4. So 4 minus 3 it will be 1. So 1.8 kg. Very simple. So this question, you have any question? Please write a line in the comment section. Question 8. Round up or down the readings to the nearest whole number. So here is, this is 1 kg. So it's in 1.1. So whole number is 1 kg. This one is 3.1. So we can write this one 3 kg. And this one is 1.7. So this can be right 2 kg. Question 9, and this is the last part of exercise 12.2. This is a scale and here is some potatoes and here the mass of potatoes in kilogram. A girl are talking about the weight. She said the potatoes weigh 13 kg. The potatoes weigh more than half of 10 kg. Girl said 13 kg. Boy said more than half of 10 kg. It means more than 5 kg, right? Now, girl said, I don't know because there is no number. Look, exactly here is not mentioning any number. But look, here is mentioned 10 kg. So this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exactly here is 7 kg. So this one we can say, the question is who is correct? Explain your thinking. Look, the boy is correct because she told half of 10 kg is 5 kg and the potatoes clearly weigh more than that even without exact numbers. The girl is cautious but the boy's reasoning is valid. So we can also say like this, the boy is correct. The boy is correct. Okay, how much do the potatoes weigh? It's a 7 kg. So thank you very much for being with me. This video I'm trying to solve primary mathematics workbook 3 exercise 12.1, which is mass. Next video we will start exercise 12.2, which is capacity. Very important topics. Till then, take care, keep practice and don't waste your time. And my request, please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare. Thank you.